The Jamaica Labour Party is this evening dismissing claims that the People's National Party's candidate for Northwest St. Andrew is being victimized. This follows information that the Education Ministry scheduled a meeting with the PNP candidate, who is also a school principal, to discuss the findings of an audit at her school. So, how will the PNP respond? Details in this report. News surfaced on the weekend that Keisha Hale, the PNP candidate for Northwest St. Andrew and principal of Padmore Primary, was summoned to a meeting tomorrow, which is nomination day. That meeting was to discuss the findings of an audit by the Education Ministry. Following protests from PNP officials, the meeting was postponed to a later date. But still, the PNP is accusing the JLP government of political victimization. Not true, says JLP General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang, adding that the auditors are independent of the Education Minister.
An attempt has been made by the internal auditors of the Ministry of Education to audit that school, and the principal absent herself from all attempts to do so. And I've asked why. This date was set by the auditors of the ministry, and she's well aware of it long before, election was in the air. So I think there's no attempt by the government, no attempt by this government to interfere in the internal affairs of the Ministry of Education or to seek to victimize the school. What is the big question is, what is the lady hiding at the school? That is the big question. But that raises issues about that candidate, quite frankly, which the PNP will need to answer, and I'm going to raise them.
Meanwhile, PNP Chairman Fitz Jackson has weighed in on the latest development.
We are not concerned at all. As I said, she will be nominated tomorrow morning, notwithstanding any effort to derail that by those in the Ministry of Education, which I believe are just mischief makers and want to use their offices to thwart the democratic process that we have in this country. So unfortunate and regrettable that in 2018 they would make such a just unbelievable act.
PNP Region 3 Chairman Philip Paulwell told our news centre yesterday that his party will be filing a complaint with the political ombudsman. There are also plans to start a public campaign to prevent any similar actions from the JLP government.